We're back at Eyvind in Spokane. Filled with history, art, and great food, this small, warm space is perfect for a special date or just a night on the town.
Casual, laid back, very inviting, warm.
He's my favorite chef in Spokane. Yep. Hands down.
Fine dining, but approachable.
Owner and chef Tony Brown uses his personal inspirations to craft his dishes, creating true culinary masterpieces.
So Eyvind Earl is an artist that I've really enjoyed forever. He's actually known for doing the background art for Sleeping Beauty and other Disney films, but he was a surrealist. So I kind of took that concept. We like to play with different colors and kind of paint on the plate, if you will.
I would say that the food is very creative.
He doesn't try to just be stagnant and have a menu that everyone's going to know and say, okay, every time I go to Ruins or Eyvind, I can get this thing.
It's amazing. It is so good.
We actually did a dinner that was based on the paintings of Eyvind Earl, where we tried to recreate his paintings on a plate. It looks fancy, you know, it's artistic.
He's really creative and he likes to follow ingredients and concepts and themes wherever they're going to go. And so I think he keeps everything really fresh.
So what are we going to make today?
Today we're going to make a turkey schnitzel with a little bit of succotash and a micro radish green salad with smoked tomato vinaigrette.
Schnitzel and succotash.
Schnitzel and succotash, yes.
Do it.
Let's do it.
So we have some Washington raised turkey, and what are we going to make again?
We're going to make a turkey schnitzel. It's called a cutlet or chicken fried steak. It's kind of all the same deal. It's pounded really thin, breaded, and then fried in shallow oil.
All right, so what do we do first?
So first we're going to cook the schnitzel.
I just like saying schnitzel.
I know, schnitzel is kind of a fun word to say.
It's a fun word to say.
You typically would get this like at a German restaurant. It's kind of traditionally a pretty heavy dish, but we're going to kind of lighten it up with the succotash here.
So kind of comfort food.
We season the turkey with salt and then bread it in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs.
It's going to be good. And this doesn't take long to cook.
It does not. No,
cook pretty fast.
Yeah, super thin. So once you get all the prep done, this is going to be real quick. And we're just going to let that go for a little while on this side, and we're going to flip it over probably after about 3 or 4 minutes.
You didn't actually hunt this turkey, but you have hunted turkey before.
I have, yeah, for the first time.
Do you have a good turkey call? Can I hear it?
I don't. I actually, I am not a hunter at all. For the first time I went out hunting this year.
You don't even want to try.
I don't even know what a turkey. Well, maybe, I have them in my backyard, so
That's
maybe
there you go.
maybe like a
The Spokane turkey.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In fact, I have several turkeys in my backyard. Those ones you do not want to eat.
Probably not.
Once the schnitzel's done, we take it off the pan and start making the succotash. We put some pork belly into the pan and then add garlic scapes, rainbow beans, yellow corn, red bell pepper, zucchini, yellow and green squash, and fava beans.
So we're just going to basically saute this around. We don't want them to be too mushy. The idea with succotash is to keep kind of the freshness of the vegetable.
While that's cooking, we start making a small salad to go over the schnitzel. We mix together radish greens, shiso, dill, mint, coriander seeds, and a little bit of smoked tomato vinaigrette.
And then just because I love tomatoes, we're going to do a little heirloom tomato salad also, a little extra virgin olive oil.
Now that looks like summer.
Coarse salt,
it?
exactly. This whole dish is going to be very summery. So
no mushy vegetables.
No mushy vegetables. You want them nice and crisp. And then we're going to put the salad right on top. And there you have it.
That's so fresh and so easy.
Pretty much everything from the garden and a turkey.
And a turkey. It's really fresh.
Yeah.
And you have hearty, and then you have a nice light side dish. You want some?
Yeah, I'll try some. Never pass up some schnitzel.
Right. Well, good job. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
That's going to be an easy thing to try at home.
To get the recipe for Eyvind's turkey schnitzel with succotash, visit wagrown.com.